It's Elle here, and I'm helping you figure out how to download all of the documents that are available to you. So we want to go to resources. So you can either click that up here, which will take you there, or you can scroll. Totally up to you which you prefer. Once you're here, you should see infographics and brochures to the side. It doesn't matter which you click. Let's go ahead and pick infographics. You can see a new window opens. And once you're here, you see it says infographics, and then over on the top, it says infographics as well. So what we're going to do is click on that, but before I do, I'll just show you brochures is down here as well, and then everything else, videos, podcasts, blog, presentations, infographics, brochures, and home. So looking back at infographics, all you need to do is click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Canva. You might have to make a login. Um, maybe you do just to use the template, I'm not sure, but the account is free. All right, so I'm going to use template. And I would highly recommend Canva. It makes your life so much easier if you're someone who has to do a lot of like graphic design. All right, so here we are. You can see page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay. If you want to download this, you just go up here to the arrow pointing down to an arrow, you click it, and it says MP4 video at first, which is odd. I don't know why it does that. But if you click on either PDF print or the top PNG, it's up to you how you want to download it. I would not do MP4 video. I'm not quite sure about that one. So we're going to do PDF print. And then you can select if you want 1 page, 2 pages, the 3rd page. If you want all of the pages, doesn't really matter. And then you would press download. I've already downloaded it though, and I don't want to download again. So I'll show you in my downloads how it shows up. It says copy of Happy Birthday Translational Science Blueprint .pdf. Okay, now just double click on that, but I already have it up. Okay. So here it is, Happy Birthday Translational Science Blueprint. You can click wherever you want as far as like scrolling. So I could click up here, doesn't matter. And then depending on if you have Acrobat Pro, there's a whole bunch of things that you can do in tools. All right, and now you can like save as if you want, export to, etc. Okay, so that is how you get to download everything and keep it for your very own. Thank you for joining me. I hope that that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. The information is on the website, www.happybirthdayprogram.com. All right, take care until next time. Bye.